Welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. PJM Interconnection has declared a level 1 emergency for the 13-state eastern U.S. grid and called on all power plants to operate at full capacity Thursday during a heat wave. I am in one of those states. PJM is the largest U.S. grid issued an energy emergency alert level 1, meaning it is concerned about being able to maintain adequate power reserves as consumers and businesses turn up their air conditioners amid scorching heat. And it is really hot in our area. PJM has ordered all power plants to be online and for consumers enrolled in demand response programs to be ready to curtail their electricity usage to keep power supplies stable. There are approximately 170 million people under heat wave advisories or excessive heat warnings. PJM, which serves more than 65 million people from Washington, D.C. to Illinois, warned of potential tight conditions earlier in the week and asked generators to be prepared. Power supplies that fail to show up when asked to be by the grid may face stiff penalties. So, things are really serious. And the question to you is, what would you do if your house or apartment was without power during the hottest parts of the day, or worse yet, for a few days? Do you have a plan to deal with the heat, prepare meals, flush the toilets? And do you have drinking water? Where would you get your drinking water? The first thing people think about when losing power are lights, but it's more to it than that. As for our household, we have over 50 gallons of water readily available. We have a water catchment system, although it needs to be cleaned up a bit. And we can use that water catchment system to water our plants if we need to. We also have 5-gallon buckets designated for toilets, if we are unable to flush our toilets. We also have a safe way to dispose of our waste. I will actually do a video on that later. But don't expect your toilets to operate if there's no power, after the first flush. In regards to staying cool, if things get out of hand, we can escape to the basement. The hottest our basement has ever gotten that I'm aware of was 75 degrees. And I do check from time to time on the hottest day, the thermometer. I have one thermometer in the basement. Also, food is not an issue. We can eat fresh food from the gardens like salads or warm up canned food using our outdoor grill or portable propane stove. And light is not an issue for us as we have many flashlights and batteries. The flashlights that we typically have either takes AA or AAA. We stick to tools that use AA or AAA so that we're not stocking up on every type of battery there is out there. We also have a few oil lamps with extra fuel, and we have candles, and candles will be used as a last resort. So what are you doing to prepare for rolling blackouts or prolonged blackouts? I hope your plan is not solely relying on the electric company to keep everything working. Thanks for watching.